For 20 years, Vectra Mechanical has proudly served Colorado with HVAC, electrical, and plumbing services. To celebrate, we gave away any complete home service of the winner's choice, valued up to $7,500. This was our first ever giveaway open to all Colorado homeowners, with entries coming from Arvada and the Denver Metro to Southern Colorado and the Western Slope mountain communities. Our winner was chosen at random, and our team installed Lisa's brand new mini split AC system, just in time for summer.
When I first found out I won, it was amazing. I couldn't even believe it, to be honest, and I still kind of can't believe it. It's been such a wonderful surprise, and I've been able to do something I've wanted to do, and now it's possible to do that. So I went for mini splits. So I already have some, but they're old and weren't really very functional, so I just wanted them replaced. So essentially the entire system's been replaced, and so I have cooling now in my master bedroom and my living room. My experience with Vectra Mechanical has been great, even from the get-go. They've been super helpful and tons of information and super explanatory, because for me this is not familiar at all. I'm just going for comfort. I really want environmental comfort in my home, and I feel like I can have that now. I heard about Vectra Mechanical from a coworker whose grandparents had some work done, and that's how I even knew about Vectra, and I'm so grateful. I'm definitely going to share with her how grateful I am to have heard about Vectra Mechanical. It's just been great, soup to nuts. It's been a fabulous experience, and I'm very grateful, so thank you.
What a savings! Congrats, Lisa! Stay tuned for future giveaways from the team at Vectra Mechanical. We love giving back to the communities we serve.